Welcome back, beautiful beings. Okay, part 2 of our recovering our journal, giving it a makeover. Okay, I already cut these off, the lines, but as you can see, I didn't do the sides. So we're going to do the sides, just right up to that, very easily, so we don't cut the cardstock or whatever you're using to cover it up. Just cutting off the extra to line it up with the other cardstock on the other side. Same here. Just cut that off to line it up with the other cardstock on the cover. Like that. Very easily, so you don't cut the cardstock. And then I wanted to show you something that I forgot to tell you. If you have a cover that has this gloss on it like this, sometimes the glue won't stick. Mod Podge won't stick to it. So I wanted to show you. All you do, take a pair of scissors and then just go like this to it. I'm gonna have to get it to the edge of the table so I can get the scissors to fit. And you just scrape it off, just enough so the glue will stick, like so. Just a little bit, don't push too hard. See, and it scrapes it up, and then the glue sticks better. I forgot to mention that. So if you don't want this problem, try to find a little notebook that does not have that shiny surface like it's already been Mod Podge, because Mod Podge does not like to stick to it. And then use Elena's tacky glue. It'll stick it right down. Just put it in there like so, wherever you need it. And then just make sure you stick it down. Easy peasy. And it will stick, but you're gonna have to keep doing this for a little bit. And of course, have your napkin so you can wipe your fingers and the extra glue off. So it's like that. Just a quick video, because I forgot to mention that. And then I will upload part 3 when that is dry. Thanks for watching. Have a great everything.